Surfer SEO versus SE ranking, which is better for SEO performance? That's the big question, and by the end of this video, you'll know which of these tools can deliver the best results for your SEO strategy. Now, both Surfer SEO and SE ranking are solid choices in their own right, but when it comes to real performance, which one holds the edge? Stay tuned for an honest comparison. Let's start by diving into Surfer SEO. Surfer is widely recognized for its robust audit features, which help analyze your site's performance down to the smallest details. It's known for its surfacing actionable insights, from content structure to on page factors. But while Surfer gives great depth, it also requires a bit of a learning curve, especially when you're getting into the nitty gritty of optimization. So, while it's powerful, it's not the most beginner friendly option. Next thing, Surfer SEO's keyword research tool is top notch. It provides in-depth keyword analysis, helping you discover keywords you might not have thought of, plus competitor insights that can give you a real edge. However, it's not without its flaws. The keyword research could benefit from more filtering options, and at times, the volume data seems a little off when compared to other tools like Google's Keyword Planner. Still, it's a great tool overall, especially if you're a bit more experienced in SEO. Moving on to SE ranking, one of its major highlights is its ease of use. Unlike Surfer SEO, SE ranking comes with a smoother learning curve. It offers a user-friendly dashboard, and its keyword research tool is intuitive. It's easier to jump in and get started with SE ranking, which is ideal for beginners. But is it as powerful when it comes to deeper SEO analysis? The short answer is not quite. While SE Ranking's keyword research tool is solid, it doesn't provide as much granularity or competitor analysis as Surfer SEO. Now, the fourth thing to pricing. SE Ranking is generally more affordable, which makes it appealing for small businesses and individuals just starting out. Surfer SEO, on the other hand, can get a little pricier as you scale up. But if you're looking for serious optimization, it could be worth the extra investment. The pricing for both tools is transparent, but if budget is a key consideration for you, SE Ranking might take the win here. The next thing worth discussing is customer support. Both platforms offer decent customer service, but SE Ranking tends to have a more responsive support system with quicker reply times. Surfer SEO support can sometimes take a little longer, which might be a downside if you're working on tight deadlines. Another thing to mention is the content optimization features. Surfer SEO stands out here with its content editor tool, which helps you write content that's optimized for your target keywords. It takes all the guesswork out and allows you to focus on creating great content. SE Ranking's content editor is not as advanced, but it still provides valuable suggestions for on-page SEO. Now, after comparing both, it's clear that each tool has its strengths. Surfer SEO excels when it comes to deep optimization and keyword insights, but its complexity might overwhelm those who are just starting out. SE Ranking, on the other hand, is more user-friendly and affordable, but it lacks some of the advanced features that Surfer offers. So, here's the big question. Which one should you choose for your SEO needs? Both are great tools, but after testing both extensively, I can confidently say there's a better alternative. If you want to streamline your SEO process and get results faster without the headache, you should definitely try out the first link in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. It's the tool that takes your SEO performance to the next level, and it's my go-to recommendation. Don't miss out on this limited time offer exclusively for you. Make sure to grab that free trial now and start seeing results today.